Hey there folks, Chuck here. I got a couple of packages in the mail recently, wanted to share them with you. This first one is from Cole over at Kuda's Diecast Customs, the old CDC. And so I forget what exactly he's sending me or why. Hopefully there's a letter in here. But it's always nice to get a letter from Cole. Please check out his channel if you haven't already. He's got a dynamite little channel and it's growing very fast. So, let's see. And he writes, Chuck, every race team needs this, so Hints is yours. Enjoy. AKA Cole. Talk soon. Well, thank you, Cole. I appreciate that. No idea what's in here. It's very well packaged. Oh. This is cool. Oh, man. Oh, this is awesome. Wow, dude, I am speechless. Put my little racing logo on there. Beautiful paint job. Oh, that is sweet. Wow. I'm blown away, man. That's awesome. I don't even recognize this casting. In Hong Kong. So it's old. Wow, that is too cool. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, a Hobby Town sticker. Awesome. I'll be sure to add that to my Desk of Fame. So that's wonderful, Cole. Thank you so much. Oh man, I love it. That is a great scale for 1/64 too. Whew. Wow. Starting this one out strong. And I didn't even get to the big box. So, well, thank you, Cole. That is absolutely incredible. Cole has recently, he gave me a shop truck and now I've got a hauler, so I'm gonna have to work on a trailer for this bad boy because that is sweet. I love it. Alrighty, awesome. And next we got this big old box from Gearhead 6971 on YouTube. He doesn't really have any videos. I know he does customs, but he has been a good friend to the channel. I see him on a lot. So it said on the return address Jay. I thought his name was Brian, but I don't know. Maybe there's some clarification in here. Out of Bismarck, North Dakota, much like my friend and patron Brett is out of North Dakota as well. Didn't realize the custom diecast contingent was so strong out of there. So, looks like... Well, I hope he didn't send me fancy dog food because I don't have a dog, but we'll see. Should probably not be cutting here, so... Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, here's Jay. Hey Chuck, just a small token of gratitude for the garage and everything you do for the hobby and all of us gearheads. Sincerely, Jay, Gearhead 6971. So, Jay was one of my winners from my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And holy cow. Holy cow. Look at this. This is one of my favorite Hot Wheels castings. That is sweet. Look at that. If the casting wasn't sweet enough, the mural is incredible. Oh, that is awesome. Great car for that series, too. And the another one with an awesome mural on the side, the 55 Chevy panel. These are both beautiful. Amazing customs. And he did message me about this one. He found one of these as well, and I was so excited about the one that David over at Twice Diecast had sent me that, and he said, "Do you want another one?" And I was like, "Sure." You know, and I tried to pay him for it, and he politely declined. So that's wonderful. He didn't tell me he was sending me all this other stuff. I mean, holy cow! We got wow. That is awesome. That's another one that I've been wanting to try my hand at customizing is the old Unimog. So that is too cool. And wow, here's the bread van, the bread box. So I think this is the whole set. If not, it's pretty close. Oh, that is awesome. So, and there's a bunch more in here. This is one I don't have, the Rigor Mortar. This is one of those ones that I've had my eye on, but never bought. It's got a lot of great detail on it. That would be a great Halloween build. With the little tombstones and the skulls and stuff. Wow, this is... Dude, this is too much. I mean, both of you, Cole, Jay, you're spoiling me like crazy. What's going on here? This is another great one, the old number 3. This is high on my list of ones I want to build because it's just a great look to it. Reminds me of the car that started the movie Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. This is very cool. Yamaha SCR 950. It's not too old, but it is older Matchbox. I think, yeah. Well, not too old because it's got a website on it. Of course, I say that now. They've probably had a website for like 20 years now. That's cool. I've never even seen this casting before. That is sweet. The Torque Titan. It's got that Australian style bull bar on the front of it. That's very cool. That's what we got. That's very fun. The Sand Shredder. It's a quad. I've got a big old scar on my chin from one of these. A real one. 16 stitches. That's another story for another time. Oh, there's one more Masters of the Universe. Yeah, that's right. There's the super van, the 70s van. Man, dude, these are amazing. Thank you so much. I'm going to have to write some serious thank you notes. Oh, this is very cool. Snowmobile and a four-wheeler. That's awesome. I definitely don't have... I think I might have a snowmobile. I definitely don't have that one. But that is awesome. Awesome, awesome. And... let's see. Tropicool series Baja Bug. That's cool. This is one of my first VWs that I had as a kid. Was the early Blackwall version of one of these, and I loved it. And I tried to make it more like Herbie, and I actually pounded this thing in to try and... I don't know what I was trying to do. I was a child. Looks like there's some pieces of vehicles in here. This is very cool. Oh man, this is the Ertl square body. Oh, that's awesome. I don't have this one. And I have a lot of square bodies. So that is sweet. It's missing a little bit, but that's easy to work with. Is this like that stock car where it was... No, that's plastic. So there was a stock car that I had a missing piece, and it was actually metal, but it was a very thin metal. It was very weird. Oh, this is cool. 65 Mustang. This is from one of the last of the metal cars. At least when they were regularly doing metals. So this is another one of the first cars that I had as a kid, and I of course broke the windshield and the hood on it, playing with it and trying to learn what it was all made of. This is Matchbox 69 Camaro. Nice. Very cool. Oh man. What? Oh, that's sweet. Chevy Stalker. This is another one I don't have, but have really wanted. is so cool. Let's see. A few Mustangs here. GT500. This is the 68 casting. Or is this the 67? Yeah, this is 68. This is the 65 Mustang Fastback. The technical term is sports roof, but I will not quibble on that. Very cool. Ford custom truck. Looks like this one was started and not finished. But that's okay. 55 Ford pickup. This is another one I've been itching to do just because I like this grill setup here. The way that is actually quite clever, the way they incorporated that with the plastic. Project Speeder. This is one that I'm very familiar with. I have several of these because I want to do a whole series of them. And I just like that there's a version like this and there's a version that's complete. There's a few more in here. I'm trying not to peek ahead. Another square body casting. This looks like the Hot Wheels. Pretty sure this is the Hot Wheels one. 70 Ford Mustang, Hot Wheels. That's very cool. I think I was actually looking at one of these the other day with the stick-through tack and I didn't get it. And now I'm glad I didn't because now I have one. That's very cool. Oh, here it is. So this is that highwayman type. Excuse me. It's about bedtime. Looks like it had real riders at one point. That's okay. We got plenty of customs. Where that came from. The pieces. Aha. Okay, this looks like this is part of the back. And the seat. Oh, that's cool. So that's complete-ish. And we got one last one. That's the 67 Mustang. So, wow. Both of you. Incredible and amazing. Very, very kind of you. I am so grateful. These are wonderful gifts and I appreciate it. This community is amazing, in case you couldn't tell. And I'm so grateful to be a part of it. I'm hoping that by the time you see this, I will be back to posting videos regularly. I know I've been a little out of it for a bit, but feeling much better. Things are starting to come together at home, and we're doing better. So thank you, as always, for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.